Sorry, we kind of got cut off. Anyway, I was saying the last one is in this ndxz studio file. You go inside of that and select config and hit Command I and then change it to 777. And then you're done. You're totally done with FTP. You don't have to think about FTP ever again, which is great. So shut that FTP application down. So now you'll need to go to this page of your website to continue the application, http www. whatever your website is .com. Just copy and paste this and then change the yourwebsite.com with whatever your website is. And the page it takes you to should look something like this. This is how you get like the initial back end of your site set up. And by back end, I mean the place where you'll come to, upload images to your site, to change the layout of your site, etc. Okay, and everything's happy. We changed the permissions in these folders, remember, in CyberDuck 2777, and they're all happy and green. If you don't get an okay here, go back to that last step and make sure that all of them say 777 in your FTP. Let's try to set up the database now. Okay, continue. Okay, now you go to this page, and it's asking you for all of these things that you don't know the answer yet to, because we haven't set up a database. Fortunately, that's pretty easy. Go ahead to your web host page. I'm using PowWeb, so it's just powweb.com, and log in. And PowWeb, fortunately, your login and password for the host is the same as your FTP, so that's good. Okay, and so basically you want to find Domain Central, which is down here on PowWeb. It might be somewhere else on your other web hosts. And choose the domain that you're working with. You have multiple domains. Yeah, actually, I told you to click on the wrong thing. I'm sorry. What you want to do is set up a MySQL database. And so you just click back in your browser and go back to this page. And right here at the bottom says Manage MySQL. Click on that. Okay, here we are. Database name. This is my friend Lane Deco. So I'm going to make it Lane Deco. And I'll just make the login the same thing. Always make it easy to remember. You might want to put this in a sticky too, since you have so many different passwords to remember now. Okay, now that's created, so let's go back in here and input this information. Alright, the exhibition name, I'm just going to call that Lane Deco. This is what's going to show up on the site, so you can include spaces and whatnot. Database name, I also call that Lane Deco. Okay. Sorry, I'm kind of giving you bad instructions here. I wish I could go back and edit it. Okay, go back to this page over here. You're going to have to add a login. So put in your login name and then type in a password. Okay. Now you can go back over to indexhibit. Let's see if this new one works. Just call your web host if you have trouble with this part of it. Databases on kellyann.pop.